What are some of the best neighborhoods in Gainesville? That's a question I get asked a lot and I love to answer, and I'm going to answer this for you right now. If you've been thinking about making a move, call, email, or text. I talk to families all the time after they watch my videos. Now let's get to it. One of the best family-friendly neighborhoods in the Gainesville area is Mundy Mill. Let's talk about the location of this fantastic neighborhood. Mundy Mill is located just off of Highway 53, and the neighbors in this neighborhood love it, and it's popular because of its location. You are a 5-minute drive from Highway 985, and you're minutes to lots and lots of really great shopping and groceries like Walmart, you got Sam's, Publix, Aldi, and tons of restaurants just at your fingertips. You're also right around the corner from UNG Gainesville campus, which is perfect if you have someone that is going to college or someone that's staying at home and commuting to school. Another reason that this neighborhood is so popular is it kind of gives you those resort style amenities. Mundy Mill was built in different sections, so you're going to find different neighborhoods kind of within a bigger neighborhood. When the neighborhood is complete, it's going to have about 1,200 homes, and 900 of those homes have already been built. You cannot miss the entrance to this neighborhood. It's got this huge mill out off of Highway 53, and you've got a beautiful entrance to the neighborhood. It's going to take you down tree-lined drives, and you got sidewalks on both sides. You can see and tell that this is a heavily used part of the neighborhood by people walking their dogs and jogging, getting the exercise in. All right, so in Mundy Mill, you're going to find a variety of homes, including ranch style and 2-story homes. You have resale homes that are going to start out at about around $250,000, and they're going to go all the way up to $350,000. And most of those resale homes are going to be in between that $250,000 and $300,000 range. So also in Mundy Mill, they are building new construction homes. However, one thing you need to know about this neighborhood is that the lot sizes are small. Most are about 1/4 of an acre, and that kind of comes with some benefits, right? So you don't have a large yard to mow. You're not going to spend your entire weekend out, making sure that your grass looks nice. And it just kind of provides more of an easier style of living. The cons is that, well, you have to be wanting to be next to your neighbors. You're going to get to know your neighbors because you're close to them. However, they do provide great space, lots of family in there, and you still have room for dogs and stuff like that, and they allow fences for privacy as well. So you do have the ability to purchase a new home in the community. And Chafin Communities is the name of the builder that is building homes in this neighborhood. And I can tell you from personal experience, they are a great builder with a great reputation. I've helped a lot of buyers build homes in their neighborhoods, including Mundy Mill. And it's one of the top neighborhoods that I love to take people to because it gives you so many different options. I took a tour through their model home, and you can see the beautiful finishes that they offer. When building a home, you do have the ability to pick these finishes and customize it a little bit whenever you're building from scratch. Now, keep in mind that this home that we're taking a tour through right now and that you're seeing has all of the upgrades available, which do cost money. But a lot of great features are standard, like granite countertops and LVT flooring, moldings, and more. One of the great things about Chafin is that they are a right choice builder, which means that they are going to go through an extra process to make sure that the home is built with energy efficiency standards in the build process. So it's kind of like they're adding an extra layer of energy efficiency to your home. Now, one of the pros about buying a new construction home is that obviously everything is brand new. You are the first owner of that home, and you have the options of choosing from homes that are already built, which we call those spec homes, or you can pick your own lot, pick your own finishes, and build your home from start to finish. Now, just know that whenever you do buy a new construction home, you are going to pay a premium price for that new construction home. When you look at new construction versus resale, new construction homes are going to sell for a little bit more, and you're going to get a little bit more for your money in terms of more square footage for your money when you're looking at resale. So you have to weigh the pros and cons and find out which one's best for you and your family and what is most important to you. All right, so you have the option of resale or new construction homes. We've talked about how great the location is. Another reason that families love this neighborhood is the amazing resort style amenities. Currently in the neighborhood, there are 2 pool facilities available to use, and they're currently building a 3rd in the next phase. Along with the swimming pools, you're also going to have tennis courts. You're going to have areas for fires in this outdoor fire pit. There's pavilions for grilling. Basically, you can have a party, in your neighborhood at the amenities at the clubhouse. You're going to find sidewalks throughout the neighborhood, and the neighborhood has lots of great events throughout the year to bring the neighbors together. So it's an amazing place. It's almost like you're on a vacation, or you have the ability to use all 3 pools in the neighborhood, no matter which section of the community you live in. And the best part, you get all of these features with an HOA fee of only $600 a year. That's pretty great. Mundy Mill is zoned for Gainesville City Schools, and the elementary school of Gainesville Exploration Academy is within walking distance. How cool is that? So you will find every single morning and afternoon, you've got parents walking their kids to and from school. It is really kind of like an idealistic way of living. Parents of younger kids, you're also going to appreciate, just around the corner from the neighborhood, you have the Academy Child Development Center, which is really great because you have a daycare that's essentially right in the neighborhood. When talking to neighbors and friends that live in this neighborhood, the one thing that everyone stated that they loved the most about living there was the location and the friendliness of the neighbors. It truly is a wonderful community that you should consider. A lot of retirees love this neighborhood as well due to the sense of community and the small yards. One thing you should know about living here though is that it is in the city limits, which means that you're going to pay both city and county property taxes, which makes the yearly cost here a little bit more than a neighborhood out in the county limits. However, you do get all these great benefits of the amenities and the locations. No matter where you decide to live, I would love to help you find that next spot. Give me a call, text, or an email. You cannot beat the location here. I would love to help figure out what is best for you. I help families all the time. In fact, make sure you watch these videos for more reasons I love living here. I'm Sarah Maslowski with Key Point Homes by Sarah.